Hey guys, good morning, More Medic One. Today we've got some tire sealant that I want to talk about and share with y'all. As you can tell, it's called Tireject, and the good folks from Tireject sent me a whole gallon of this stuff. This stuff is cool. It's not like slime or some of the other stuff on the market. This is actually a liquid rubber with Kevlar bits and pieces, and the fibers basically says it wedges into any cracks and permanently seals a tire. But the whole to make this stuff work, you have to follow the directions. You don't want to put too much or not enough. And here in just a minute, we're going to go right over here behind you and fix it flat on a lawn tractor tire, and we'll see how this stuff goes in and how it works. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, well, this is where my lawnmower laid down, right in the middle of the daggum cutting. I must have run over a nail or something. And if you don't have a tool like this one, it comes with the Tireject applicator. You have to take the valve stem out first. Okay, here's the applicator. It's marked here for you, 1 ounce to 5 ounces. Go ahead and screw this onto your valve stem. The recommended application for this tire is 8 ounces. What you want to do is you want to shake this up real good to agitate. Hi buddy. One of the things that I've noticed is that this is like a get the top of this. This is just a like a soap laundry detergent jug, and it doesn't pour worth of crap. I don't recommend doing this on your shop floor. I wished it was cleaner. But anyway, you take your plunger, and there's 5 ounces there. We're going to inject that into the tire. There's 5. See if we can do this without spilling it. There we go. And there's 3. Undo your valve stem, reinstall your valve core. Hard to see without my glasses on. Just snug it. That's all you need to do right there. Just air it up to the correct pressure. And then run it around for a few minutes to distribute the solution in the tire. And it says that it will actually seal a sidewall puncture. Seals punctures up to 3/8 of an inch. So it should be good to go. I'm actually going to kind of inflict some pain onto this tire, and we'll see how good it works. Going to have a hole. Keep coming, mama. I'm going to roll this around. We'll see if it actually stopped. I see the, and there's the hole. As you can tell, no bubbles. ran it for a few minutes. And we definitely don't have a screwdriver puncture hole anymore. The wetness of the grass kind of washed it off, so I really can't tell where it was at. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video. More Medic 1. Have a great day.